Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into the account that stores your search history. This is where the log lives. Once signed in, open the Settings or Privacy section and look for Activity or Search History. Make sure history recording is enabled if you want ongoing logs. If it was off, only future searches will be recorded. If prompted, choose the device or time frame. This selects which records you'll access. Now move to the History Viewer to list past searches. Once in the History view, filter by date, product, or device to narrow results quickly. This saves time when you have years of data. You can also search your history with keywords or exact phrases to jump directly to specific queries. Make sure to expand individual entries for details like timestamp and associated URL. That explains why a result appeared. If you need to revisit content, open items in new tabs so you don't lose your filtered view. Now manage your history. Delete single items or pick bulk delete by date or product to remove many entries at once. You can pause history collection if you want temporary privacy, or export and download an archive of your activity for review or backup. Make sure to confirm deletions. Some services require verification. If items don't appear or sync seems wrong, sign out and sign back in. Then refresh. This simple step usually resolves sync lag and displays the latest record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.